my first Lego puzzle box. And if you shake it, you can hear some stuff, but nothing comes out. And here's a 360 view. So up top you see one little tile sticking out. And if you pull it out, it pulls this piece out. So I'll put that aside for now. And now it's around like, what's this? Push it. Nothing happens. Come back to this side, push it. This side opens, surprisingly. And can you take it out of the way? Yeah. And out comes a tray. Comes this tray with a ankle on it. So you're going to run and you just see straight through there, nothing really in there, and you can see around, right? Yeah, I know the colors sort of give it away, but this part, this wall right here, comes out. There's a hole. Take your rod, put it in the hole, and push, and you hear a noise. Listen. Then over here comes out the tray, and you can, put whatever you want in. And if I push this tray back in, take out the rod, put in wall piece, take the rod, put it on the tray, and put the tile piece in. It's set again. So wait, I'm on the camera. So yeah, and I am going to be making more puzzle boxes. I actually have some more made, and I will give you a sneak peek quickly. These are some right over here. Here's some other puzzle boxes I'm going to be making a video on shortly. So please subscribe. My channel really needs it. Like the video. I don't care. Please subscribe. That's all I need. Okay? And like this if you, let's see. Let's try and get 500 likes on this. And 500 likes on this video, and I will make a bigger puzzle box. A bigger one that actually has stuff on the inside. And I'll make some Lego candy machines. So, please subscribe.